I go.
In a minute. Okay.
Wow. What's
Ready?
ready?
Okay, welcome to vending machine in Thailand. Dun-dun. We're going to order. Oh, that's tap up. Need to go back. Not tap up. Where is it? Not tap up. Not card. No. Where is it? Here. Okay. Reward points. Ba't mali? Wala eh. Ano yun?
Ay no, milk chocolate cafe.
Top up kasi yan. Top up o college drive. This one, caramel cocoa.
Oo.
Hot or
Hot.
cold? Hot or cold? Hot or cold?
Ano hot?
Caramel
Smoothie.
cocoa smoothie. Okay.
40 baht.
40 baht. Okay, okay. Put the money there. Is it? Where? Here? Where?
There. Uy, kinain. Okay, change 60. Saan lalabas yung 60?
Ah, you can save our totals.
There, I think.
Keep the change as credit. No, I'll take the change. I'll take the change.
Ah, dito na rin nakuha.
Seven, 4. Okay. Accept. Ano naman eh? Oh, may panglaban na si daddy. Yes.
Accept.
Satisfied.
Collecting. Ah, may mga ganyan pa pala.
Keep collecting. Yay! We're making some? Oh, yeah?
Kasi choco.
Waiting. Over there. Ready in 46
seconds.
seconds.
Tapos may mga coffee din.
Wow! Oh, it's coming out. It's
Aling
coming
cocoa.
out. It's already there. Hot is coming.
Ayun.
You have 33 seconds.
You have 33 seconds.
33 seconds. Spoon.
Adding syrup. Malaki din pala eh. Malaki yung cup.
Really? Using it?
Ayun oh.
Okay. It's coming. 12 seconds.
Ah, okay. Biscuit. Asan na? Okay na? Kunin mo. Ay, parang ano, hindi puno. Hindi pa pwede eh.